Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I've been asked over the years if you could char wet punkwood, and it chars just as well as dry punkwood. It just takes more fuel to dry it out. Here are some limbs that have just recently fallen out of the tree. Let me show you this. Punkwood is very lightweight, and when you squeeze in on it, it'll spring right back out. Don't know if you can see that. Let's process up some white oak now. And of course, we'll start our fire with some charred punkwood. Here's a little sliver. Another tiny sliver. And another tiny piece. All right. First gases come out of that can, of course, is going to be the steam. And then after that, the flammable gases will come out, and many times they'll ignite. When gases and smoke stops coming out of that vent hole, you'll take it out and let it completely cool off before you open it up and check on your charred punkwood. Let's give it a chance to burn. the smoke and the flames will start coming out of that vent hole. Can is cool. It's done. Let's take a look at it. That was soaking wet when we started. Let's try it out. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.